All right, cool. About to do this quick trading view walkthrough for the new people getting in. This video is gonna be very useful for anybody that feels like they don't know how to approach trading for the first time. So downloading this app on TradingView will get your feet wet because this is where we're gonna do everything. Like this is where we're gonna place trades if you're deciding to trade using the same things that I use. Uh, um, this is how we're gonna mark out our charts. This is how we're gonna look at the charts when the markets are live also. So let's see if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. But so first things first, we're gonna do this on golds, on drawings. First things first, when you're on these charts, the first thing you want to do is go on any time frame and make sure you can see enough data. So you can go on a 4 hour or a 1 hour time frame, and you can like adjust your screen using this, call it a y-axis, using this y-axis right here to adjust it by making it taller or shorter. Make your screen, if you're on a phone, make your screen, make all of these candlesticks, these blocks fit in your screen. That's important because you don't want to come up into these charts and be all zoomed in like that. Like, because then you're not going to know what you're going to be looking at when it's time to place a trade. So when you first get into your screen, you want to fit the chart like nicely into your screen size. Not that you can see everything, but like you can see a decent amount of things. So just in case you want to drop like a entry right here, you're able to see that and you're able to get in. But if you're like too zoomed in, then that's different. You're not gonna be able to be like, you're gonna be like, oh, where? You know what I mean? So yeah, um, that's the first thing you want to worry about when using this app. The second thing you want to worry about when using this app is how to place a trade. So I'm gonna log in to one of my exam accounts. Cool. So how to place a trade? When you instantly get into a trade, like let's say I'm telling you guys I'm gonna get in right now and I'm risking 30 points. I always usually risk 30 points when I'm trading with gold, gold futures. To get this on your watch list, on your list right here, just want to add it and put GC1, right? But to place a trade, you got just these two buttons right here. The blue one is for buying to the upside. The red one is for selling if we're going to get into an order for us to get paid when the market is going down like this. So that's when we'll press the red button so you can get into a sell. So like somewhere right here or right here, just to give you an example. All right, so there's that. All right, so for buys, when you instantly get in, all right, when you instantly get in, it'll always give you this screen on your cell phone, on your laptop, whatever you're on. Press the blue button and it'll give you this screen. When you're on your cell phone, you're not able to drag this out of the way. That's okay. Um, you can right here, this is where you change your lot size. So this is based on how much per point you're gonna get paid. I always keep it at 1 because that's $10 per point. And when you're risking 30 points, just super easy. When you're risking 30 points, you just click this. You put stop loss 30. That's a $300 risk. And I train people on how to trade six-figure accounts. So $300 risk is a 0.3% risk. It's not a lot. We trade by percentage. So that's realistic for us. So stop loss, 30 points, $300. This right here, where it says market, what if I press the button, it'll instantly get me into the trade where the price is at right now, where this black dotted line is at. That black dotted line has a timer on it, and that's just to show you that price is live right now. So there's that. Um, so this market side, if I press it, it instantly gets me in where it's at right now. Limit, I'll have to manually punch in the price. If I don't, it'll get me in. It'll put a pending order, um like a pending order to get in. Like it won't automatically get you in. It'll be like pending. Like if the price hits that price, the price hits that area that you put it in, that number that you put it in, then it will get you in the order of the trade. So the limit is like pending. So like I can put a pending on here, like a like right here. I can use this horizontal ray tool, take it out, put it on this top of this black box on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we're on the 1 hour. And I can punch that number in up here where it says price and punch a stop loss in. Okay. I don't have to punch the stop loss in because I automatically put 30 points. So I just unclick it real quick. And I'm going to punch in the order 2-3. So the black line, the black number is our black line. So 2391.3 buy limit. And then I put the stop loss. It'll automatically adjust the price for me because I'm automatically risking 30 pips. So since this is a pending order, it won't automatically get me in. So you see how it shows me that I got into a pending order for a buy. So if price decides to come into this area like this and hits that area, that's cool. It will trigger me in and hopefully we go up. And if the trade isn't right, then it'll go down and it'll hit this negative 300 and then you lose 300 for that trade. So that's how that works. Now, for the opposite side, for selling, if I'm on market and I automatically do this and I press it, it'll automatically get me into a trade. But if I do a pending order, I can do sell limit and then I can punch in whatever price I want. And since for selling, we usually sell when the price is high. So I'll go somewhere up here. Let's say somewhere up here. 239914. Sorry. 2399.4 is the number I got above over here for my selling point for the example. So let's do the pending order again. 2399.4. That's the sell limit. Press this red button. This screen pulls up, even on a cell phone or whatever platform you're on. 2399.4. Put the stop loss automatically, and then I press sell. All right. So since I did a pending order at that price, if the current price comes up into here and hits it and it decides to come down, you'll see profit. Or if the price comes up and hits past that, you'll see the negative 300. So that's how it works to get into a trade and to put a stop loss. All right. So if you need help, just ask me questions on my Telegram and just review the video if you're confused or lost. Just rewind it, you know what I'm saying? So that was it for this video. Quick, easy tutorial on how to use these buttons and get into a trade for buy, the blue side, and sells for the red side. All right, cool.